like to learn from me, I can teach you. And I'm running a sale on private lessons if you'd like, if you're interested. I can teach you all kinds of stuff. I don't care whether you're a classical person that's an experienced professional and want to take that turn into the jazz and the hip worlds, as one of my teachers said. If you're a beginner, I love it. If you're an adult beginner especially, I dig that. I love being able to explain things and people go, oh, I get it. I take pride in having that happen. And if you're an intermediate person or playing already, you just know some fiddle tunes and want to expand and learn how to improvise, learn how to jam around with them, have some fun like you see some of the young kids doing, I can teach you that. I've played Cajun and Zydeco. I've done a lot of gypsy jazz. I've played jazz fusion. If you want to do the electric thing, you can see a bunch of electric fiddles up behind me here. There's one there too. So I'm actually a boutique electric violin maker. I've done all these things. I may not be a household name, Geoffrey Fitzhugh. I run a website called the Fiddle Jam Institute based on the book I have out all over the world with Hal Leonard called Fiddle Jam. Teach people how to improvise and in an easy way, beginning improvisation. And I have a secondary book that teaches licks and tricks if you're a reader, called the Rock and Blues Fiddle Jam Etudes. All the cool stuff, all the in-between notes, the blue notes, where to slide, and these kind of things. If you're interested in any of this stuff, or just like my vibe and want to learn from me, now's the time. I'm running a sale on the website, in the school store, fiddlejaminstitute.com/store, and look at lessons. And there's a sale going on right now for $128 for 3 hours of lessons. You can buy just one lesson too. Normally about $60 an hour, but I'm running the sale during the COVID-19 pandemic to help people out and keep me busy too. And hope that's maybe something you might be interested in. You can contact me through the comments. You can contact me through the website, definitely a little more secure. Look me up on Facebook. There's a Fiddle Jam Institute page on Facebook, and various other ways. If you just do a Google search for Geoffrey Fitzhugh or Fiddle Jam, you'll find me. So hit me up if you want some lessons. Hope to see you on the site, or hope to see you somewhere, or in private, one-on-one webcam lessons anywhere in the world. Okay? Let's play together. More music in the world, and more people joyful and happy.